Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm in beautiful St. Petersburg this morning. I'm getting ready to do some snapper fishing. I did catch net some moharas, some small pinfish, and some small finger mullet. So let's see what we can land today. Hopefully we do, because my kids are in the mood for some fish tacos. You guys stay tuned. Let's go ahead and grab something here. The majority of the bait I have are actually small pinfish, but I do have about a half a dozen of moharas. The rest is pinfish and small little finger mullet. I'm free lining because I'm gonna go ahead and just cast right underneath this little pier right here. Whoa, about slippery. All right, guys, first cast. Let's do this. Make sure that drag is kind of tight, because if there's some big snappers in here, they're gonna wrap you up. They're gonna wrap you up around the pylons. Hey, he swam right towards the rocks. That's not good. Got me a little flounder. Little flounder. Look, just barely got him hooked. Barely. Just throw him back. Too small. Got him. Got him, guys. Nice snapper. Might be a keeper. He hit the finger mullet. Just take a quick measurement. I don't think he is. Let me see. Yeah, he's gonna be close. Let's go ahead and truck him out. All right, guys, this guy is, he's 10 inches right on. 10 inches right on. I'm not gonna keep him. Let's keep him 11 or better. Just throw him back. I got something on. Oh, I think it was a small snapper. He had me. Let's go get another bait. Something got it. Oh, missed it. Something small. It's probably a pinfish. Okay, he got it again. Oh, there you go. Yep, pinfish. Right? No, snapper. Little snapper. All right, guys, first snapper of the morning. Little guy. There you go. Just throw him back. Okay, I have a small little pinfish. I'm not even casting out far. It's right here in the corner on the edge of the rocks. Man, I got a snapper on it. He took me right underneath the rocks. I feel him. Yeah, he got me right in the rocks. Just let some line out. Let's see if he swims out. Let's see. I hope so. Ooh, I got him out. Told you, snapper. Not legal. He's still small, but bigger than the first one I caught. He hit the small pinfish. trout, guys. Small little snapper. Just throw him back. I think I just got a bite here. No. All right, guys, on a small little pinfish. Nice snapper. Keeper snapper. Nice keeper snapper. Keep your fingers away from its mouth. I got bit too many times. Let's see. All right, this guy is just a hair short of 12 inches. He's a keeper. He's coming home. All right, let's do this again. Small little pinfish. Tell you what, this current is ripping. I'm using a 1 ounce egg sinker and you can feel it, it's moving fast. And I just missed a good bite. Almost yanked the rod out of my hands. This morning I went ahead and cast netted some moharas and some greenbacks. Bait shops didn't have any shrimp. So thankfully I brought my cast net this time. I wish I had my waders because I want to go underneath the bridge over there. But somebody's fishing there right now, so I don't want to bother him. I got something nice right here. Like a big old trout. Big old trout. Look at the size of this trout. Look at the size of this trout. Oh my gosh. It's a big old trout. That's what you call a gator trout right there. Big trout. Oh my God, he's gonna be a good sandwich. Take a quick measurement, guys. That's a nice trout. He hit the mohara. He's 19 inches. 19-inch trout. Beautiful. Love it. No, you ain't going nowhere. Come here. Oh gosh. Check it out. Beast of a trout, 19-inch. All right, guys. So far, I caught one small snapper. Threw him back. It was like 9 inches, and that big trout, 19 inches. I'm using cut greenback now. All my greenbacks died. I forgot my bubbler at home, so all my greenies died. So what I did was I just cut them in half. Got him. Nice snapper. That's a keeper snapper there. He's about 12. Ooh, he almost got my hand. He almost got my hand. All right, guys, that's a 12-incher all day. Yes, sir. Oh, man, good hit. I just missed a hit. Oh, they biting now. And I ran out of bait. Ain't that something? They start to bite now because the current actually slowed down. It's not moving real fast anymore. And I don't have no more bait. I might have, let me see, I might have a little piece of cut bait. I actually do. I have 2 pieces of cut bait. There you go. Man, they're chewing now. Oh, he took it. Yep. What the heck? Oh no. Probably a mackerel. Cut me right off. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. Nothing on this one. Great. I think I have one more piece of cut bait. Yep, I found it. One more piece. Oh my gosh. What a what a Guggen. Not where I want it, but until we get a hit here. Now I want to get out of there. I want to get closer to the pylons. Nice. Perfect. Right in between them. Oh, got a hit. I got a hit. Don't tell me he took it. Did he take it? Yep, he took it, guys. That's it. I'm out of bait. Might throw a shrimp. Let's see if they go after the artificial shrimp. Okay, look. I'm using a small little tiny shrimp. I think this is called a YGP or the GYP or PYG, something like that. When I get back to the car, I'll let you guys know exactly what I'm using. But look at that action. Let's see. I know they're chewing, so man, I keep smacking this wall in front of me. There you go. Nice cast. All right, let it sink to the bottom. Let's see. Let's see. Just bounce it off the bottom. Let's see if one of these big mangroves go after it. Okay, nothing on that first one. All right, nothing's going on with the shrimp. I had one good bite, but I think it was a pinfish. Gonna try a few more minutes. If nothing, then I'm calling it quits. It's too hot. It's almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I gotta pick up my wife. Yes, I said today's Friday, but we had things to do yesterday with my son, so my wife couldn't work yesterday, so she's making it up today, and that's why I'm out here on a Friday. So I know she's about to call me or text me. All right, guys, I'm done fishing. I tell you what, man, I forgot to do my intro this morning, and I forgot to do my outro. I had my wife here already, picked her up, and I'm like, wait a minute, I don't think I did the outro. So anyway, this is my outro. You guys saw what I caught. This morning I went ahead and cast netted some live bait. I had some mohoras and I had some greenbacks. I did forget my bubbler at home, so within 30 minutes all my greenbacks were dead. So I was cutting them in half. I did have some good hits. I did land that one keeper snapper. He was 12-inch. I did catch that one keeper trout, which was 19-inch on a live mohora. Other than that, I think I caught another small snapper, but he was maybe like 7-inch. But that's it, guys. Nothing else. So got nothing else. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please shoot me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Hit that hype button, leave a comment, share the video, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Tight lines.